Upresiden ke Bharatiya Janata Party ka BJP ha Jylla uba Ernest Mauri ha santre ku Jylla ula Ïaroh ke Jingpyrshang bala shim da Myntri Rangbah u Konrad ke sangma ban Pynbeit ke Jingïakajia Khappud bat ka sam da ka baong ba ki sarkar ba minshwa kim shimnala ban le haba aji grange ki la pathai khbor ka Rangbah uba Ernest ula ong.
I need to appreciate our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Konrad Sangma, who has shown a keen interest with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Himanta Biswa Sarmaji. In a short span of time, 6 out of 12 issues has been settled between the Assam and Meghalaya. This is true in certain areas. There are still small dispute remaining, but both the state leadership is working out to get a permanent solution.
Ulaong makinong yalam na baro artli ki Jylla kidang Pershang banwanra ika jing Pynbeit ka banne. Palala ban Pynbeit haduun riupaw na ka shispa ika jaka ha Khappud ki badon ka Jingïakajia ha paneng ka Assam ban Meghalaya.
And I hope that in this year, both Assam and Meghalaya will 100% resolve their border dispute permanently.
Hababan halo ka jingkran o Myntri Rangbah do ka ri o Narendra Modi bo omla banwanra ika roy ka par haga thanje taylam mingi hada om Pynbeit ki Jingïakajia Khappud hapdeng ki Jylla uba Ernest ula Ïaroh ika jinglong laklo ki Myntri Rangbah ka thanje taylam mingi Pynbeit ka Jingïakajia Khappud ha ki Jylla jongki ula ong na ka binta ka thanje taylam mingi ka ba syongsuk bat ka ba roy ka ba par ka sarkar pedeng haga jingalam jo Myntri Rangbah do ka ri o Narendra Modi salai soy ya shipun tali soskolar ban pindu no yaki kampentri bat banwanra ika jingshong suk ka banne haga than.
I, on behalf of the BJP Meghalaya Pradesh, I express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, the Home Minister, for their effort to bring HNLC for a peace talk.